Okay, here I am one more time. So the project for today, I do have an ugly jar, right? It is an ugly jar. I'm talking with Jaida, my daughter, and so I talked to this lady about it, and she wants me to cut the grass, and she wants me to remove the tree. I thought it was the tree on the front, but it's not the tree on the front. It's an ugly tree on the back. So probably we have another project really soon. So let the fiesta begin. So basically, I am using my 36 Gravely in the back, a lot of dust, and I forgot my bandanas this time, so breathing a lots of dust. But anyway, so this was kind of easy. Yeah, my wife is making noise in the background, so she's cooking something. She's hitting that pan with a spoon. So yeah, it was a little bit overgrown. I was watching John live on YouTube from Australia. Actually, from Australia. Let me see, from Ireland. Sorry, John, from Ireland. So I was in for chat on his live channel, and I was mentioning him that I was doing this audio jar, and he said, "Yeah, are you doing? I hope you're doing a video." And yes, I was doing a video. So here is the video. It took me about 3 hours and a half. No, probably less. Like I mentioned a little bit more later, I was not trying to burn up myself because it was really hot day, like 97. So drinking a lot of water and trying to stay cool. The tree is probably not able to support not even a ladder. If you put a ladder on to cut some of that ends, it's gonna fail. So I am using my extension pole from Ryobi. I paid for that one maybe around $79 at Home Depot, and I am using it with the Toro, and it's been doing really well for me. So I'm gonna be using that one cut this tree, and that's gonna help me a lot because I'm gonna stay away from this tree because I'm not sure if it's gonna fall. So let the fiesta begin. guys. I hope you are enjoying this video right now. That was kind of easy. Look at that tree. It is completely dry. So it's ugly, right? Look, it has a heart. Look, I can't believe it. That was like another little small tree growing inside. That's fantastic. Wow, when I noticed that, wow, it was like a surprise for me. Well, finally, the job has been finished. So I cut the tree, and it was not the tree on the front, it was the tree on the back. So that's gonna be another project probably soon. I don't know if it's just gonna spend more money on that. So it take me about 3 hours, but I went very slow. I don't want to get killed, especially it's a really hot day, and I've been drinking a lot of pineapple water with aloe and mango. My wife made me that kind of drink, and it's really good. So I am about to drive to the landfill. Actually, not the landfill, the recycle center. You guys already know this place. This is where I do the when I bring the brush, when I do any trimming. They take concrete, they take tree rough, construction stuff, big loads. Look over there. There's another place around this corner, but they don't take those big ones. They kick you out of that place. Look over there. They left some plastic containers. They're not supposed to do that. So yeah, there's a lot of illegal stuff people's doing over here, but I don't know. So he's telling me time for some tacos. So guys, I am really hungry right now. The truck is empty, so I stopped by some tacos. Who doesn't like tacos? Everybody likes tacos. At least people from Mexico, they love tacos. Tacos and burritos, fritos. So tacos are really good. So I'm here for lunch right now. Here we are, unboxing the lunch. Oh, there you go. The tacos. The tacos looks amazing. Then we have some green salsa. It's like a green tomatillo. And I had some red salsa. So we say thank you, Lord, for this beautiful meal. And what we basically do is put the taco salsa on top. And enjoy. Really hot, really good. Okay, here I am again. This property right here, I mold this maybe one every 2 months. So I called the owner today to let him know that I'm going to proceed and cut the grass because it was growing. And this is located basically right around UT area. So there's a lot of people passing by, and I don't want to have this big mess. So I was passing by and I look at it, and it looks like it needs to be cut. So I called the owner. He said yes, go ahead. So I'm on it. The party is over. So you can see on my back right there, those little one right there, I cut it down with the machete. And I had those. I need to do those maybe tomorrow or Friday. So it's 7 o'clock and p.m. and I still have one more house. I need to get it down. So this is my last one. I am so happy. So I can go home after finish this one. It's been a long day for me. So this one has a little bit of grass on the front, a little bit of grass on the back, and all the way on the end right there by the white truck. And basically that's gonna be everything. So I can go home, rest, spend some time with the family, and be ready for tomorrow. Guys, get your juice, your coconut water, your fruit water, whatever you have, something. Just water don't make you feel good, so you need to drink something sweet. So I'm having a little bit of fun right here, but I'm ready to work. See you next time.